guys, it's Linnea. Today I have another fun rainbow masked card to share with you. So I have just a piece of heavyweight cardstock, and I'm going to temporarily adhere that onto my work surface with some purple tape. And then I'm going to take a couple pieces more of the wide purple tape, and I'll use the grid lines on my work surface here to mask off a diagonal portion that is 1/4 of an inch thick. And now I'm just going to blend on some distress inks. I'll start with Picked Raspberry. That's my favorite pink. And originally I used a blending brush, but I wanted to have thick, solid color on here. So I'm just going to use the regular old school blending foam. Once I have that color on my paper, I'm going to take a towel and wipe off any extra ink from my tape, and then I can remove them and just reposition them so that I have 1/4 inch of white space in between, and then I will mask off another 1/4 inch section. So basically it's going to be 1/4 inch strip of a color, 1/4 inch of white, 1/4 inch of a color, 1/4 inch of white, and it'll just alternate back and forth like that. I'm sorry my head is in the way right now, but you really do want to get right over the top of your panel. That way you can make sure that you have straight lines here. And this did start going faster after the second time that I did this. I kind of got the hang of it. So for my orange, I'm using Spiced Marmalade, and then I'm going to continue on. I'm really only doing half of the rainbow. I'm going to be using some Squeezed Lemonade for my yellow and Twisted Citron for my green. I had originally planned to do the whole rainbow, and I would have put the purple on top of the pink and the blue on top of that. But after I got the green on, I really liked that color combination of the pink, orange, the yellow, and the green. So I decided to just stop while I was ahead of the game. I stamped out a bunch of the cute little images from the Fun Night Out stamp set from Penguin Palace, and I'm going to just color these in with my Copic markers. For my cat, I wanted her to be gray, so I'm using N0 and N2. I'll lay down my lightest color, come in with my dark for shading, and then blend it out again with my lightest. I'll color the rest of the little images using my background as inspiration. So the popcorn bowl is going to be pink, the popcorn will be yellow, of course, and then her dress and her shoes and all that, I'm going to be using some matching shades as well. And I do have my background up there on my work surface so that I can see it and take reference for the colors. The only color that wasn't represented in my actual images is the orange, but I thought that was still okay. I really love pink, yellow, and green together. It reminds me of summertime. So as I was looking about how to stamp my sentiment, I realized that the sentiments here fit perfectly in between the masked lines. It's almost like it was made to go this way. So I stamped that sentiment into one of the white spaces there, and then I added some foam squares behind my little images, and I'm just going to center that above the sentiment there. That's really going to finish off my card. I'm going to use a little bit of clear shimmer from Spectrum Noir just over top of the little images there. And that will finish this off. Thank you so much for joining me. See you soon. Bye.